It's part of the gang here at the Denver Body Doc. We are going to be prepping Rebecca here to finally take a little time to do some self-care for herself, and we're going to get her started. She's going to be our candidate for female PRP plasma hair restoration. So let's get started.
Andrea, what are you doing here?
So Rebecca has concerns with a little bit of thinning hair. She says it's been this way for a while now, but she's got beautiful hair. However, she feels like her ponytail is really thin, and up here, kind of at the top of her crown, she's noticing a little bit thinning. She can see more of her scalp than she would like. She's had blood tests to make sure she's otherwise very healthy, so we're not having this condition caused by, say, medications or an underlying condition. So she's all clear there. So we're going to be using platelets from her body to stimulate the growth cycle in the hair, and hopefully within the next couple of months we'll begin seeing little tiny baby hairs come through, as well as the existing hair. Hopefully it stops shedding as quickly. So
Perfect.
get started, we're going to apply the topical numbing cream to Rebecca's scalp. It'll be messy, but we're going to get it all over so she's comfortable during the injections. We're going to do a blood draw using our Eclipse PRP kits. So it's a pretty quick blood draw. Take a little bit of blood, spin it down in a centrifuge, and we separate the liquid gold, which is what we want to be injecting into the scalp, which has all of the growth factors that are going to be doing all the work. Okay?
Awesome. Sounds good.
All right, we finished Rebecca's injection of her PRP. This is very typical after the injections. I'm gonna clean her off, but you can see the redness, the irritation, a little bit of bleeding, which is very typical from all those little injection sites. So she will be a little tender. She's gonna wanna just take it easy, no strenuous exercise. She will shower and get all of this lidocaine cream out of her hair. How do you feel, Rebecca?
I'm feeling actually pretty good.
All right, you did great.
Thank you.
Done here. How do you feel?
A little tender, but overall not too bad.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
I'd probably give it a 3.
Perfect.
Good job, Rebecca.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Andrea and Nurse Rebecca here at the Denver Body Doc. And once again, I'm lucky enough to have Nurse Rebecca here, and she's gonna let me do another treatment on her scalp. We're gonna be doing PRP injections into the scalp to stimulate hair regrowth. And we've done a couple of sessions already over the past few months. Today's gonna be the third treatment. So Rebecca, why don't you just give us a little feedback and tell us why you've decided to go ahead and be my little patient and do a PRP hair restoration.
I've always, for a long time, I've had really, really thin hair and stuff. Like basically my daughters would tease me about not having a ponytail and stuff like that. So, and I lose hair often. I can't get it to grow, everything like that. So, with doing this and having even just those couple of treatments, even my, hairstylist, she's like, oh my gosh, your hair's so long. And I was like, I know, yeah.
Yeah.
And I've definitely seen growth. I've got little wispies here from the first treatment, things growing in, filling in.
Great.
And I can actually have a ponytail now.
Yay!
Yay. Okay. Hey guys, it's Rebecca here. I just wanted to follow up on my hair PRP treatment that I had. My initial one was done way back in March before we had to shut down for COVID. I did just get a second treatment a few weeks ago, but I wanted to show you I'm getting little hair wispies in from where I had some of that hair PRP done, which I really appreciate because I've had really thin hair for a long time and you could see the balding spots there. But I've definitely noticed much fuller hair, less hair falling out, like when I would just brush my hair, which is super encouraging because it's actually staying on my head. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was a very simple treatment, not necessary. The first one was not quite as comfortable. It was a little pressure on the scalp, but actually not too bad. Second one was a lot easier. Andrea does a great job. But yeah, I'm excited. I actually have hair now.